Hello YouTube, welcome back to another video. In this tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to make this lovely 4x4 vault door that I designed. Yeah, okay, so the supplies you will need. 3 stacks and 30 blocks, so 222 full blocks. 59 redstone dust. So like for the full blocks you can use like stone to anything like that. 59 redstone dust, 18 sticky pistons, 7 target blocks, 5 immovable blocks, so like obsidian or furnaces or shulker boxes, 4 observers, 2 levers, 2 pistons, and then either 2 slime blocks or 2 honey blocks, but you can't have one of each, and 1 glass block. So first, I'm going to get started with the piston layout. So, for the bottom, you're going to want 4 sticky pistons here. So this is the front side of the build and this is the back side. And then you're going to want 2 sticky pistons diagonally down from those. And then one seems kind of weird, but 2 pistons right there. Up 3 blocks, and then left 2 blocks, and then you have 2 sticky pistons there. Same thing on the other side. And then for the top part, you'll want up 3, and then right 1, and then a row of 4 sticky pistons right there. And then on the back side, a double piston extender, 2 of them. Okay, so that's the layout. Now for the inside those blocks, you can cover all of this, and you can actually do the whole frame. Okay, so you have that part of the frame, but then you are gonna actually replace these 2 with immovable blocks, so furnaces or obsidian, anything like that. And then you can just cover the rest of the frame with normal blocks. Okay, so now let's start the wiring. Starting at the bottom, you're gonna want 4 target blocks along these 4 pistons with redstone dust going into all of them. Just like that. And then another block there to the left. Down 2, back 2. Cover it all in redstone dust. And then going into a 2-tick repeater. 3 more redstone dust, and then 4 blocks like that. Okay, give some time to build that. And then a monostable circuit with 2 repeaters going there, everything on 1 tick, and then 1 repeater going that way in redstone dust. The repeater will be going into a full block, and then you have this little T shape here, you see that? Cover it all in redstone. Then we're gonna go down here and count 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks. So don't cover this all in redstone. You can cover those 2 in redstone. Then you're gonna want a 2-tick repeater and then a 1-tick repeater. Cover the 1-tick repeater and the redstone with observers going into those normal pistons. You're also going to want an observer over that redstone dust going into that sticky piston. Okay, now that that's all done, so you're going to want to go on the right side there, go down 2 blocks, and into a target block. A repeater on 1 tick, I believe, into that. Now you can cover that in slime. And then an observer, this is on the left back side, an observer over that redstone dust going into an immovable block. Now we can test this and hopefully it all works. Yes, that's what it should do first. And then, yes, perfect. Now we can move on to the sides. We're going to start with the right side because it's the simplest. Go out to, cover it in redstone dust. Going into a 1-tick repeater. Then you're just going to do a staircase going 4 up just like that. And then that whole side is completely done. Now you're going to want to start by copying this over, so you can copy that over. Okay, now that that's all copied over, you can test it if you want. Okay, now let's just get some more frame over here. Then you're going to want to use the one transparent block, that's the name. And then, like so, there's a little staircase. Then you want to go up to here, left, going into a full block. And then, don't cover all the sticky pistons, just cover this one. And then you're want to do this, cover the other side, and then get that in redstone dust. So you want to do this little thing there, just extend it out, and then do that little thing, going into a 2-tick repeater right there. And then you're going to want to do a similar thing on the other side, but not quite the same. A 1-tick repeater, going into redstone dust, and then going down, and cover that, going into another 1-tick repeater. Okay, now you can do that thing so that both of these pistons get powered. And then another monostable circuit right here, just like that, just like that. You can get that, I believe, yeah. These two are on 2 ticks, and this repeater is on 1 tick. Alright, great. You do a little L corner shape, whatever you want to call it. Cover it all in redstone dust. And then you want to go down 2, cover it in redstone dust. Here, and then a 2-tick repeater. So the redstone dust goes down, and then a 2-tick repeater. And I want to place 2 target blocks there, and 2 full blocks there, and cover it all in redstone dust. And that should be the completed thing. You can test it if you want. And there you go. And then if you want, you can extend the frame like so. And there you go. That's the full thing. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.